Welcome back to Suncoast View. It is hot and humid. The air is just heavy, and it's really hard to feel pretty and perky this time of year. But our beauty expert, Mickey Williams, is back with some products to help get us through our Suncoast summer because, ladies, we still have a long way to go.
Yes, we do.
Let's make it all seem a little bit easier. We are so glad to have you with us.
I wanted a group hug.
I know.
Air hug.
Group hug. Let's start with sunscreen because we know it is probably the most important item we can all have in our beauty bag.
And I just want to say this was all curated for us.
Yes,
good.
she chose
Good.
these
Yes,
specifically
yes.
for all of us here on the Suncoast.
Okay, I want to introduce you. This is new. This is Fig 1. I love this. This is mineral sunscreen. This is an SPF 50. What's so amazing about this is that it actually works, ladies.
Oh.
This stuff is incredible. It has up to 20% zinc oxide in it. I'm going to tell you something.
Does it feel thick, though? I don't like
No,
gloopy.
it melts into your skin. You
try
don't have
some
any
here
white
right here.
patches. Listen, I goop it on because I put it on my son. I put this on my son. I put this on myself. It is so good. It is
Oh, it disappeared
so
really
lovely.
well.
It melts
Yeah,
right into
it
It
does.
doesn't make you look white.
Which is
No.
impressive because I hate to admit this and don't tell my dermatologist, but I usually avoid the word zinc because it makes it gloppy and then hard to rub in. I feel like I could even put makeup over
it
this.
looks
That
good.
it is amazing under makeup. It's great. It actually works as a great little primer too. But what I love about this, safe for the whole family, and what's so great about it is it doesn't have that super sheen, which sometimes we like, right? But it doesn't have that. That's why it's so great for the family. And when you're putting it on kids, it's a dream. I love this product.
That's
it is
great.
by far, like, I trust out a lot of sunscreens. This right here has got
We
me as
can't
a winner.
take chances with that.
Yeah,
No,
and
we
it
can't.
works. That's what I love about it. Okay. Next off, this is so exciting because A, it's affordable. B, you can get it everywhere. You can get it at Walmart, Target, Amazon, everything. Okay, this right here is V&Co Beauty. Okay, this just launched. It's a hair care collection. This is shampoo and conditioner. It just launched in the spring. It already won the Mary Claire Beauty Award.
Really? What makes it different?
It is meant for every hair type, every hair texture, right? But what's great about it is it has this peptide-infused technology. This is like the new product from the Redmond family. Remember the Aussie products that were out there?
Yes, of course.
Worked incredibly. We all
You like
scrunched
that?
our
Oh,
hair.
good. Thickening.
Wavy hair just won that award, but I'm going to tell you right now, these products are great. They're $8. I love them because it really does penetrate deep into the hair follicle. Right now, big hair is back. We all know that.
Yay! Finally, I've been waiting.
So it's great to embrace the big hair during summer because, listen, it gets puffy, right? But this is a great way to not have to use the extra products. I love it because the products work in your shower, but they work from the inside out. They just really do. And that peptide technology is like, I always say, it's like skincare for your hair.
I like the fact, too, I am really into hair products that are specific for your needs.
Yes.
Like, I know you're trying to thicken up and get more volume.
I lost hair when I lost weight. I need thickening now.
It's amazing. You're going to love it. I love the way it smells. It's not overpowering. Each one of these is $8.
Perfect.
It's got proteins, amino acids. It has everything in there, but it's also that Redmond family, which I love because they do nail it.
All right, I requested some help with bras and supportive bras.
Baby. Okay, so this is Form, and if you haven't heard about Form, it's got an E on the end of it. We saw a lot of it like Time when they named, what was her name? I'm sorry. Taylor Swift, when they named her.
What was her name?
It's a joke. It's a joke. I'm gonna get like every Swiftie hating me. But anyway, she actually rehearsed for her Eras tours in this bra, and what this is this is actually posture correcting technology. You have right there.
Yeah, let's look at the back of it.
They have 3 different styles of the bras. This one right here is amazing, but what I love about this, and the reason why I picked this for you, Stephanie, is because it has a mesh front, because you said it's very, very hot underneath.
Right, so this is the back, and I'll be honest, this is way more bra than I normally would be wearing, even for exercising, but so I understand the posture support. But the front of it being mesh, I mean, girls, it is hot, and those things sweat and rash, and it is not fun.
I don't want mesh in my front, so we have options here. Definitely, there are a bunch of different options. What I love about this technology is it's created by a doctor, right? We were reading all about it, and I also love this because it's not just for the gym. It's basically, we're seeing lots of nurses wear these because they're standing all day. It physically changes you and puts you into your correct posture.
So
we're seeing
I can
it on
wear
the
this
golf
underneath.
course.
Yeah, no one would know if you had it on.
She trained for the Eras tour and all of her rehearsals in these bras to keep her
that's so
informed.
good.
So,
because at my age, you start to lean over. I need this.
Yes. And I feel like technology just makes us kind of hunch over as it is. The Power Bra is what they're known for. They have various styles, but they also have men's shirts. They have everything. So it's just incredible technology.
It's good enough for Taylor. It's good enough for us. Just saying. All right, we love shoes. And Linda, some of these were chosen with you in mind because they're bright and sparkly.
Well, when we were talking about like what we can do for this segment, I thought, oh my goodness, you know, let's get some shoes in here because I had just found out about this company, Oka Bee. And what's so great about them is all of these shoes are made from reusable plastics. They're made right here in the U.S. They're made in Beaufort. I love
They're
this
made
so
in
much.
Georgia, by the way, Linda, right
I know
from
what
home.
Beaufort, Georgia is.
Yes.
Good for them.
I love these. They're affordable, and you know what? I love recycled materials, but when it comes to plastic, sometimes they're a little bit stanky. These smell fantastic. I know it's going to be weird, but please smell the shoes.
All right.
They're known for their
That was
ballet
a strange
flats.
request. Yes, I did notice that the ballet flats were very, very popular.
Now,
on
Stephanie,
they
this
have
is the one that I got
rhinestones?
for you.
Well, they don't smell at all.
No, they just, and I think that's what's incredible. When you start to use like recyclable and sustainable materials, I love the mission behind this brand.
Oh, they have support, too.
They have
They've
arch
got the
support.
arch
This is
support.
important in my world.
When
Yes,
I
it is.
think plastics or things like that, I think slippery. No, because they have these built-in
great.
little grips. I love these.
And
These are
on the
mine, by the
bottom,
way.
yes.
I'm taking these home. I know, and the bottoms are great. Linda, these are for you. We've
Oh,
got a
thank
couple of
you.
little. I mean, just everything is so smart. And when you're done with them, you can send them back, and they'll recycle them, and you can get a little discount.
Oh,
for your
and
shoe.
made in the U.S. and Georgia. We love that.
Yeah.
All right, and then finally, I did make a personal request. This will make Linda laugh. I need to do something under my eyes.
You get no sympathy from me.
Whenever
Look
I
at
come to
this.
town, Stephanie, I'm like, what do you want? She's like, eye cream. So I love
Something to make
this.
me look awake.
So this is
Tell us about
basically
this.
designed. This is by Sarah Creel Beauty. This is designed for women 40 plus, a skincare line and makeup line. What I love about this, now I want you to meet the Firm. This is the Firm offer. This is $95. This is the new eye cream. You're going to see it all over every magazine if you haven't already seen it. I love the container because it's refillable.
Ooh,
but this
that's
right here
awesome.
is so incredible because when you get that out of there, tell me what you see. It's got a
tinted.
tint. It's like a tinted serum. It's so beautiful.
Ooh.
It's great. It's lightweight for down here, which I really do love. You can mask over it if you have a little bit something heavier that you want to wear. I do love this, and I've got to say they have.
I don't know if you can see
Oh,
that on
this is-
camera 4. I've
and
got
this
it.
is
Now Linda's
concealer,
playing with
yes.
the face flex over there, and that's great. It's really just incredible brightening. These are both brightening tools, which, you know, let me tell you something. We all need a little brightening. But I just hit 50, and I'm telling you, everything that I want in my makeup line, if it's a skincare item, I want it to have a little bit of tint.
Yes.
Because then I know how much I have to cover afterwards. And I'm just going to tell you, I think this product is gorgeous.
I just hit 86. I want all of the above.
So these
We
are all
love it when Mickey comes to share her knowledge, and she's got lots more that you can find online. For more beauty tips and tricks, go to sharetheglam.com and be sure to check out her YouTube channel as well. We'll be right back.